Hey, it's Ben from Noce Ring Co. It's been a few months since we did a last shop update, and a lot has happened since then. Kind of want to talk through the process with you, how we make our rings, how we organize things, and show you what we do here. Most of our really popular rings, we kind of try to keep like halfway ready to go. That way when an order comes, we're able to get it out. This is Otis. He's our shop dog and chief troublemaker. He also really likes the microphone.
Yep, he's trying to eat it. Okay, it's not a game.
If your ring needs to be personalized, we can do it here. We can load the ring into the fiber laser. Nice way if you want to add a little note, a wedding date, something like that. This is our 3D printer. We use this for printing all of our ring sizes. It allows us to send you a ring size kit when you order a ring or before you order a ring. It allows you to try it on for a couple days, see how it fits. Then when you place the order for your ring, you know that it's going to fit. This is our inlay station. So this is where we set all the inlays in our rings. We'll have opals, Petoskey stone, turquoise, anything you could think of that we can put in a ring, we keep here. Once the inlay's set, we bring it over to our ring spinners. A lot of times when we're really busy, all 4 of these are running. We're also able to adjust our speed control on these as well, which is kind of a cool feature. I'm a huge fan of old tools and antique tools. These are both Logan lathes. They were made in the 40s. It's true that they don't make tools like they used to. I really prefer the big, heavy, old antique lathes over new, modern, flimsy lathes that aren't made in America. So if you order a ring from Honest Hands, your ring will be on one of these 2 lathes. And then from here, that brings us over to our finishing station. We have our Boredom Flex grinder. We're able to finish a lot of our gold rings here. If your ring's gonna get a texture on it, like a titanium black hammered ring, we're gonna use our bench grinder to set the finish. This station is our photo studio. We use this for filming a lot of our rings, taking photos of customers' custom rings, and it's one of the big additions to our shop that I've been really happy with. But it allows us to basically mount our camera in the same spot every single time. This is a really cool ring we're working on right now that we're taking photos. This is gonna be gold and whiskey barrel. Keep a lot of our lenses here and all of our camera organization, tripods, lighting equipment. It's been really helpful for us to grow the website, take really consistent product photos. This is my desk. This is where I do most of the website development, where I do all the video editing, photo editing. If you're sending me emails, this is where I'm sitting answering emails. Lastly, right before your ring is going to get shipped, this is the order fulfillment station. Once that ring traveler comes all the way around the shop, once it's been laser engraved, once it's set, had its inlay set, finished, polished, cleaned, goes into this ready for packaging pile. Basically, we're able to pick all of our different materials that go into a ring package and box it up and send it. Yeah, that's kind of how our ring gets made here at the shop. Appreciate you for following along and bearing with me through this journey, and yeah, let me know if I can help build a custom ring for you.